Hi! If you are part of my rap squad, then welcome back. But if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Raf and I post about beauty, lifestyle, and everything about my life. Now, speaking of my life, pasensya na po if I look tired. Naglalabasan po ang aking dark circles dito sa aking under eyes. And labas na labas din ang aking mga blemishes because I'm not wearing any makeup. I think this is because lagi akong puyat. Every night bago ako matulog, nanonood muna ako ng mga K-dramas. I swear, masarap magpalamon sa mga K-dramas na yan. Anyway, speaking of, I think one of the reasons kung bakit din ako nahuhook is because of the fashion and the beauty aspect. I mean, we have to admit, nagmamayagpag sila sa ating beauty industry, not only sa Asia but all over the world. Kasi ba naman, best, tignan mo naman yung mga balat nila, nakakaengganyo bumili ng mga makeup products and beauty products from Korea. And that is exactly what I did. So I got this one. So this one is called the VB Cream or the Vanishing Balm Tone Up Cream. And it is from the Korean brand called Layday. So guys, take note ha. VB. Hindi po BB, but V as in Britney Spears. So I got this one from RX Beauty Philippines. You can search them on Facebook. They are RX Beauty Philippines. Or you can find them on Instagram at RX Beauty Philippines. Now, alam naman natin na sa mga Korean products na ganito, wala tayong maiintindihan sa mga description sa likod. Kaya, it's a good thing na sa Instagram page ng RX Beauty Philippines where I got this, meron silang English translation ng mga nakasulat sa mga products nila. Implements the no makeup look. It instantly brightens your skin, hides your pores and blemishes. Sabi din niya dito na on lazy day, you can just apply the VB cream, swipe some lip tint, and you are ready to go. So I think this will be perfect for me today because I have stressed skin right now. And what makes it even more perfect is it has SPF 27. So, ganito yung itsura ng kanyang tube. It's so cute kasi it's super duper pink. It's time for us to check the consistency of this product. And there you go. As you can see, it is very creamy. It's not watery at all. And when we spread it, medyo nakakatakot siya because sobrang puti. Mag-apply lang muna tayo dito sa left side or sa right side ninyo. Pretend tayo na nagmamadali. So, kamay na lang ang gagamitin natin. Meron siyang subtle na scent, but it's not mabaho. It smells like a baby cologne na super duper mild. So, here it is guys on one side of my face. Pagkalagay mo, meron siyang lagkit feeling. Pero super duper konti lang. Siguro around 30 seconds. Wala na yung kalagkitan. It settles down into a matte finish. Another thing na nagustuhan ko sa kanya is yung pagka-brighten up niya sa face ko. Hindi nagmukhang gray yung aking skin tone. Kasi diba yung ibang instant whitening, puputi ka nga pero parang may grayish tone. This one, hindi naman. I think bagay naman sa akin yung pagka-tone up niya. However, medyo na-disappoint ako sa kanyang coverage. I mean, sure, naalis niya yung redness ko and yung dark circles ko. Pero nakikita mo pa rin yung ugat ko dito at saka yung mga pimple marks. So, let's see if we can build it up para makover talaga niya totally yung ating mga problem areas. So, even though marami yung ilagay mo, hindi siya magmumukhang cakey. Yun nga lang, walang point para lagyan mo siya ng marami kasi definitely light coverage lang siya. Hindi niya matatakpan yung mga blemishes mo totally. So, one layer is good enough for you. So, yes, let's move on and I will apply the product on the other side of my face then. Now guys, I forgot to tell you na dun sa RX Beauty Philippines, this is only for 380 pesos. So guys, this is how it looks like on me sa aking buong mukha. And I really like it. This is something new kasi mahilig talaga ako sa mga full coverage. Pero with this one, I don't mind na hindi siya full coverage kasi ang ganda ng pagka-brighten up ng aking face. Tsaka gusto ko yung feeling niya para akong walang suot. I think nakatulong pa nga yung mga blemishes to make everything look natural. Parang naturally pumuti talaga ako. So yes, so far so good. Pero I think lalagyan ko rin ang aking leeg, siguro pati ang aking chest, at saka ang aking ears. Para naman 'di ba? Pantay silang lahat at saka malagyan din sila ng sunscreen or SPF. Kasi I'm planning to go out today and for sure maaarawan ako. Kaya ayaw naman nating umitim ang mga ibang parts ng ating head. wow! So definitely no makeup look nga. Parang wala lang akong makeup pero medyo na-level up kasi nag-brighten up yung skin ko. Pero of course, maglalagay muna ako ng kilay at saka ng konting contour. And then I will be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back and ito na ang ating makeup look. Diba? Very, very simple. By the way guys, yung tone up cream, super duper matte talaga siya best. Actually, hindi na ako naglagay ng pressed powder para iset yung cream. And I do not know kung anong nangyari, pero while I'm doing the rest of my makeup, napansin ko na habang tumatagal, mas lalong gumaganda yung coverage ng vanishing balm na cream. Mas lalo niyang natakpan yung aking mga blemishes. I think that's because kino-color correct niya talaga ng todo-todo. So parang natakpan na rin yung aking blemishes kasi naiba niya yung kulay from red to pantay. Okay, pantay na all over ang aking skin. And nakakatuwa kasi napantay yung skin tone ko without even using foundation. So yes, like I said earlier, this will be my look throughout the day. Tandaan nyo tong mukhang to kasi I will update you guys later and titingnan natin kung anong magiging itsura kung magsistay ba yung VB cream ng maganda sa aking face. 12:54 in the afternoon, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my lunch. Tapos, aalis ako, I will go to the mall. Bibili ako ng adapter para sa aking computer kasi nasira yung aking adapter. So yes, I will be back later. Mwah! Hey guys, so I'm back from the mall and right now I just wanted to give an update regarding this Lay Tone Up VB cream. Honestly, nasushocked ako. Currently, it is don't know if you can see it, but it's 4:49 in the afternoon. So that is almost 4 hours na nasa face ko ang produkto na yon. Anyway guys, yung reason kung bakit ako nasushocked sa kanya is, mga bes, habang tumatagal, lalo siyang gumaganda. Kasi kanina, diba, instant white yung ginawa niya sa akin. So, nakakagulat talaga. Kasi parang hindi ako sanay na biglang pumuti ang aking face. Although, bagay naman, pero nakakagulat. But now, na nag-tone down na siya sa aking face, it looks so natural. And ganito talaga yung itsura ng no makeup look. Yan guys, so kasi I've always had this problem na mas maputi ang katawan ko compared sa aking face. Kasi mas madalas akong gumamit ng mga whitening creams, whitening lotions dito sa aking body. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng mga whitening products ang aking face kasi takot ako magka-pimples. Pero with the Lay Vanishing Cream, pantay na siya. And guys, ito pa, ang ganda ng oil control niya. Kasi even though gloomy ngayon dito sa Las Piñas, ang init-init pa rin, okay? Kahit anong ulan is hindi nakakatulong. Actually, mas umiinit pa nga dahil sa ulan. So, ang expected ko is mag-oil up ako ng bongga. Kasi hindi naman tayo gumamit ng foundation na may oil control. Actually, itong Vanishing Balm nga na ito, wala siyang claim tungkol sa mattifying or oil control, mga chuchu na gano'n. So, akala ko talaga mag-oil up ako after 1 hour. Pero now, magpo 4 hours na and ganito pa rin yung itsura niya. Okay, sure, medyo naging dewy na ako dito and sa nose. Pero that is to be expected and hindi pa to malala, okay? Hanggang ngayon, hindi ako nagre-retouch, hindi ako nagbablot or nagpupunas ng tissue or whatever. Kung ano yung in-apply natin kanina 4 hours ago, yun pa rin yung nasa face ko and I'm loving it. So yes guys, so far so good and check that out. Nandito pa rin yung highlights ko at saka yung contour ko, meaning hindi talaga nahulas or hindi naalis yung VB cream na ito. Hey guys, so I'm back and it's time for me to give my final verdict about this Lay VB or Vanishing Balm Tone Up Cream. And to tell you guys the truth, super excited ako kasi ito lang ata yung slay or walay video ko na simula hanggang dulo, fresh pa rin yung itsura ko. Dahil dyan, ngayon pa lang, sasabihin ko na this product gets a slay for me. Now is 9:38 in the evening. So that is more or less 8 hours na nasa mukha ko yung Vanishing Balm Cream. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin nakikita ang aking pores. Although from being matte kanina, ngayon medyo dewy na siya. Pero I don't really mind it. I mean, napakalaki ng difference ng dewy sa oily. And yes, hindi na ako magre-reklamo dito sa dewy look na nakuha ko after 8 hours. Plus guys, tingnan nyo yung aking highlight na nilagay ko kanina 8 hours ago. Tsaka itong contour ko, nandito pa rin sila best. So nakakagulat definitely I am shocked kasi hindi naman mattifying foundation yung ating ginamit. Actually, wala nga siyang claim na nagpaprolong siya ng freshness, pero yun yung nagawa niya. So anyway, let's move on muna dun sa mga pros and cons. Simulan muna natin sa cons kasi isa lang naman yung naiisip ko na consequence from this product. At yun ay yung very minimal lang yung kanyang coverage. Okay, since minimal yung kanyang coverage, hindi niya totally matakpan itong aking dark circles. Tapos, hindi rin niya totally natakpan yung aking blemishes nung in-apply ko siya kanina. Pero guys, let's move on na sa positive things. Di ba nga, in-apply ko siya tapos hindi niya totally natakpan itong aking mga blemishes? As time goes by, hindi na siya naging halata. I don't know kung anong nangyari. Siguro kasi meron siyang color correcting properties. Habang tumatagal, mas lalo niyang kinokorek yung mga kulay ng iyong face. At dahil doon, mas lalo niyang nako-conceal yung appearance ng iyong mga imperfections. Ultimately, yun yung favorite thing ko tungkol sa kanya. Yun yung pinaka-positive thing na na-experience ko sa kanya. Yung habang tumatagal, mas lalo siyang gumaganda. Okay? Mas lalong nagiging natural yung look mo. And parang it glows lang from within. Next is walang bigat feeling. Magaan siya compared sa other creams na na-try ko before. Another one is yung kanyang SPF. At saka, even though meron siyang SPF, wala siyang wide cast na flash photography. So, definitely, pwede mo itong gamitin kahit magpipicture-picture kayo with flash. Definitely, this product is a game changer for me. Na-achieve niya talaga yung promise niya na it will give you the Korean no makeup look. So there you have it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, then prove it to me by clicking the thumbs up button. Also be part of my RAF squad. So to be updated about me, then follow me on my other social media accounts. I have my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat, all in the username @RAFWantsYou. So there you go. I guess it's a wrap. And I will see you guys again on my future videos. Mwah.
The sky is all violet, and if I'm taking shotgun, let me ride it with you.